The FI flows have dried up a bit, but nevertheless, the momentum has been really strong in this market. So expected to open sharply higher this morning. Brace yourselves for that. Here's the first tick on the index, looking pretty. 250 points higher now on the Nifty, 18,283. Led by Infosys, up 3%, Tech Mahindra up 3%, Wipro up 2.5%, and TCS. So IT is coming back in a big way this morning. HCL Tech as well, up 1.5%. Apollo Hospitals posts its numbers up about 3%, so big move coming in there too. And the Bajaj twins, Bajaj Finance and Finserv, are both up about 2.5%. Gaining steady ground, the Sensex is up over 800 points right now, and the Bank Nifty also charging ahead. Talking about the Bank Nifty, SBI, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, all rallying anywhere between 1 to about 2%. There's not a single Nifty stock in the red. That's the kind of momentum that this market is seeing. So 18,261 now, about 100 points away from the 52-week high. But there's so much action in the broader market.
Well, that's right, Sonia. Not a bad day, actually, for a couple of metal stocks to come out with a disappointing set of numbers. JSPL, the numbers were a little bit disappointing. Well, the standalone EBITDA per ton was disappointing, but that's opened up in the green because of the positive sentiment overnight. SAIL, the numbers were very, very weak. The debt number has moved closer to around 30,000 crores odd, which is disappointing. But that one as well is up closer to around 3%. So these stocks, they're basically ignoring the earnings, factored in a little bit as well, post that recent correction. But today, they're seeing a bit of a relief rally. Other stocks that deserve special mention. In an uptrending market, you have Supriya Life. The numbers were disappointing. That one, in fact, is down close to around 5%. From around 600 rupees, it's come down to around 250 rupees also. Supriya Life is under some pressure. From the frontline names, JNFC and Muthoot Finance, both those two numbers, well, they were disappointing, and both of them are down close to around 3.5% odd. For GNFC, the chemicals division took a bit of a knock, so both of them in an uptrending strong market, both these two F&O losers. On the flip side, you have a few gainers. Fine Organics, well, out there, the numbers look pretty good, so that's flying away. RVNL is opened higher in trade today, so that stock is doing pretty good. Suzlon, well, a bit of a turnaround quarter is what you saw. They've raised some money as well, so Suzlon is higher. Orient Paper, that as well, reported a profit in comparison to a loss, so that as well is one of the top volume movers today. And Equitas SFB, well, that's another gaining stock as well. All in all, it's a solid start to trade. We're not yet at around that 18,300 odd mark, as the SGX Nifty suggested, but a good start. Nonetheless, breadth of the market, 10 stocks advancing for one stock declining. Prashant, what more you want?
I mean, absolutely. You know, this is a super start. The Nifty IT index, the two sectors which are doing very well, and I was making this point earlier, is the IT index. I mean, obvious rub-off, right? I mean, the NASDAQ up 7, you got a 2-3% move, absolutely. So 3% on the Nifty IT.